Hello, hello. It's been a while since I did a little Nature Nugget. I'm going to try a little different style today. My name's Cari, owner and founder of EcoTrek Fitness. I'm in West Michigan. Drop in the comments where you are watching from. We just had an awesome early morning EcoTrek workout. I take groups of people outdoors and we do strength, cardio, flexibility. We do it all in 75 minutes. My early mornings are just an hour so people can get off to work quickly. And today it was just me and one other girl, and it was so cool being in a snow globe. It is 13 degrees here in West Michigan right now, and I am here to show you. I just wanted to bop down. I'm along the Grand Haven Channel here. I'm on the north side, so North Pier, and it's so quiet. There's no wind. 13 degrees, like I said. Gorgeous. I just want to show you guys this. So here's the thing. Of course, I took my earmuffs off. Shouldn't have, but here's the thing. I'm not going to put music on this one because I want you to be able to see and hear the swelling of the ice. Oh, and there's ducks here. Oh, it's so pretty. We're just going to show you this. So did you see the swelling underneath, like the undulating waves in the channel? The ducks are freaking. They're like, what? What are you doing out here? We usually have this place to ourselves at 7 a.m. So quiet. This is like a pretty special time when there's no wind and you can hear the crunching. It's awesome. Yeah, when it's safe for you to drive and you feel comfortable, definitely make your way out to Grand Haven. I highly recommend the north side of the channel. Just go through Ferrysburg and take Northshore Drive all the way out to the end. You'll see Fisherman's parking lot here. And yeah, hopefully you can just experience it without the crowds because it's so pretty. Thanks for watching.